Well, Gemini has two distinct keynotes for us. And the first one is to find out in our life the not self versus the true self. To find out the duality and make a choice in that duality. This is very important, and you can see in your life, and I see in my life, it's a continuous daily labor, daily struggle to find out what is it that I'm deceived by, that is not truth, that is falsity, that takes me off the path, and what is it that keeps me on the path? And that's the duality in Gemini that we have to conquer and clearly know what is the not self in life and what is the real self in life. The second part of Gemini that is very important, that is going to come out in this labor, is what is service. We know that the hierarchy gathers together in 6 months, makes contact with the Christ and the great Buddha at Wesak, and then they think about that contact for 30 days, and then they release it during Gemini as goodwill. I thought about goodwill, and I discovered that goodwill is not to make us feel good. It's not for our entertainment. It is to give us the power to serve, the power through which to serve, to have that essence in us of goodness through which we serve. So it is a conditioning factor for our service. So when we reach this wisdom, it is not a place where we make things happen. We control other people. We can read the Akashic records. We are so brilliant. We can tell fortunes. We know the future. We are so powerful. That's not where we're supposed to be ending up. We see in this labor that when you end up to that place of wisdom, what do? You turn around and serve. You meet the need.